video is in regards to the washing machine not working in unit 911 at 3 Navy Wharf Court. Here's the machine. If you look on the left-hand side, there's a water switch. And if you actually look at the water switch, you can see that the switch is clearly marked to off. On the other side of the switch, if you can see it, there's on, but the switch is clearly on the off position. So I'm going to take my iPad here so you can see the date and time. It's 5:27 on Wednesday, June 29th. And I'm going to turn the machine on. So in order to turn the machine on, we must first turn the water on. So I'm going to turn the water switch to on. I'm going to lift the lid. I have it set to a low. I'm going to change it to medium. I'm going to change the knob here. We're going to do a cold wash. And when we pull the knob out, the machine works. I can close the lid. The machine will keep filling with water. Again, because the water switch is turned to on,